Another math standard is to help students compute fluently and make reasonable estimates. In pre-kindergarten through grade 2, each and every student should develop and use strategies for whole number computations with a focus on addition and subtraction. They should also develop fluency with basic number combinations for addition and subtraction, and use a variety of methods and tools to compute, including objects, mental computation, estimation, paper and pencil calculations, and the use of calculators. Students need to understand patterns, relations, and functions, a third standard. In pre-kindergarten through grade 2, each and every student should be able to sort, classify, and order objects by size, by number, and by the use of other properties. Students should recognize, describe, and extend patterns such as sequences of sounds and shapes, and simple numeric patterns, and translate from one representation to another. Students should also be able to analyze how to repeat and grow patterns as they are generated forward. Students need to also be able to analyze characteristics of properties of 2- and 3-dimensional geometric shapes and develop mathematical arguments about geometric shapes. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? In pre-kindergarten through grade 2, each and every student should recognize, name, build, draw, compare, and sort 2- and 3-dimensional shapes. They should be able to describe attributes and parts of 2- and 3-dimensional shapes and investigate and predict the results of putting together and taking apart 2- and 3-dimensional shapes. Another standard is the one through which students should be able to understand measurement and be able to measure the attributes of objects and define the units, systems, and processes of measurement. In pre-kindergarten through grade 2, students should be able to recognize the attributes of length, volume, weight, area, and time. They should also be able to compare and order objects according to these attributes and understand how measurement using non-standard units of measure might take place. Students should also select an appropriate unit and tool for the attribute being measured.
Created using Powtoon.